Hey everyone, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta, and today I've got a really cool truck for you. It's a 1970 Chevrolet C10 Restomod, done in a beautiful Hugger orange. This truck's been through a frame-up restoration. It's had a ton of upgrades, like a 5.3 liter LS motor underneath the hood with a 4L60 transmission. It's dressed up very nicely. Brand new paint, brand new moldings, chrome, brand new interior, all the stuff that you're looking for in a Restomod truck. But let's jump into this walk around for you. Let's look at the grill up here. The grill is in great condition, brand new grill. The chrome is really nice, no issues with that. The bumper is super clean as well. Brand new headlights. The paint on the hood is in excellent condition. All the body lines and gaps are really nice on the hood and the fender. You know, nothing's sticking up, nothing looking weird here. Paint looks really nice. I'm not seeing any scratches or major imperfections here on the hood. Your glass is brand new on this truck. All the weather stripping here around the glass looks in great condition as well. The roof is super clean. I like to look inside these drip rails too. Nice and clean there, nothing going on. The fender's super clean here too. Give you a little background on what we do here at the dealership. We have a mechanic that works here full time that does an inspection on every vehicle before we list it online. We check everything from making sure the lights are working to the gauges are working. We make sure all that stuff is functioning properly, and we also do a mechanical check on the engine, the tune, suspension components to make sure these things are ready to go as soon as they hit your driveway. Up front here, you do have a 22-inch US mag wheel with a 265 wide tire. You also have a nice set of wheelwood disc brakes up front too to really help this truck stop. These wheels look really good. The fitment's really nice, and it's lowered and got a really nice stance to it. As we look at the door here, the door is in excellent condition. All the molding is really nice. I'm not seeing any kind of major imperfections there. It lines up really nice with the fender here. Your gaps on the door are very nice. Your mirror's in great condition. All the weather stripping and chrome around the wing window here is in excellent condition as well. Paint on the top looks great. Gap here on the back side of the door and the cab looks really nice. It's even all the way down. Door shuts and fits really flush. We'll go ahead and show you. No issues with the door shutting there. You do have the fuel cap here on the cab, but the gas tank has been moved to the bed, so that's just for looks. What I've seen a lot of people do with these is they put their trickle charger in there, which is a really nice place to hide it and easy access to get to it. So I don't mind these being left on the truck because they have a multi-purpose. Like I said, you can run your trickle charger from the battery up through there and have it just the pigtail sticking out right there where you just take this off and plug your trickle charger in there, which is really nice. The bedside is super clean, no paint imperfections. Everything looks nice here. Your moldings are really nice. Overall, a beautiful paint job on this truck, guys. It looks really, really nice. Out back, you do have a 22-inch wheel out back as well, but it is a staggered setup, so a little bit wider. You got a 285 wide tire back here. But overall, very, very clean truck, guys. And this Hugger orange looks fantastic on it. You do have LED marker light out back here as well as LED tail lights, which look fantastic. Tailgate is in great condition. Bumper's brand new. Tail lights, marker lights, all that is new as well. We can lower the tailgate here for you guys. All your latches here and hinges here for the tailgate are new. You've got a really nice spray-in bed liner with some nice fender tubs back here that looks really clean. One thing I really love about the bed liners on these trucks, you can use them as a truck. You know, instead of having a really fancy wood bed or having really fancy paint back here where you're scared to put anything back here, you can easily put your chairs, your cooler. If you need to run to Home Depot, you can still use this as a truck, which is really nice. But overall, very, very clean, guys. But with that being said, let's wrap up this walk around and let's work our way back up front so I can show you the engine bay. All right, guys, check out this beautiful engine bay. I mean, there was no expense spared on this engine bay. It is just absolutely beautiful. There's tons of shiny parts in here that just look really good. This is a truck that you could take to a cruising, car show, or when you have your buddies over at the house, you can pop the hood and be very, very proud of it. A lot of money spent on this engine. It's a 5.3 LS motor. It's got a nice little cam in it that sounds really good, has a great chop to it. It's got the Holley valve covers on there that cover up the coil packs. You also have that aluminum intake manifold, upgraded fuel rails. You got the CVF front runner kit there for your serpentine system. Ice cold AC on this truck. The firewall's all been painted and smooth and looks really nice. You've got these beautiful set of CVF hood hinges that look absolutely amazing on this truck. Painted tubs, red top Optima battery. You've got this real nice radiator shroud here. I mean, just overall is really, really nice. This is a really sharp looking engine bay and something that you can be proud of when you pop the hood, and it runs really nice as well. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna wrap this up and work our way to the interior. All right, let's check out the interior on this beautiful C10 truck. Once again, no expense spared on the interior here. First thing you're gonna notice when you look in the interior is this aftermarket bench seat that's done in a really nice leather vinyl material. You've got diamond stitching here that's done in orange, which looks really nice and matches the exterior very well. It's also done on the door panel here, which is really nice. You've got an aftermarket set of billet door handle and window crank. Looks really, really nice. Dash pad is also leather with the orange stitching, so you can definitely tell that some thought went into this interior to make it look good. Got an aftermarket chrome steering column here with a tilt wheel, which is really nice. A really nice 3-spoke steering wheel. Dakota digital gauges, which are really nice, and I believe they light up an orangey red color, which once again kind of matches the theme of the exterior and the interior very, very nicely. You also have an upgraded gas pedal there that's a billet style pedal, which also looks really nice. I also really love this aftermarket kind of retro sound looking stereo, which fits the truck really nicely, but still gives you that nice digital display there. This truck does have ice cold AC and hot heat. This is a truck that you can drive year round and have no problems with. But overall, the interior is very, very nice in here. But let's get to my favorite part and let's go take this bad boy for a drive. All right, guys, out cruising in the C10. So far, I'm very impressed with it. Brakes feel really nice. Acceleration is nice and smooth. Gauges work like they should. Overall, the cab is very quiet. It's not overly loud in here. The radio sounds fantastic. I would turn that on, but we don't want to be copyrighted. The bench seat feels really nice. It's very comfortable. You do have the cup holders here that you can put some drinks and stuff in when you're cruising around. The AC blows cold, the heat blows hot. All the gauges work like they should. Overall, a fantastic truck. This would make anyone a very nice hot rod to be able to cruise on the weekends and go to cruise-ins, car shows, take the wife to dinner. Overall, a fantastic truck with a lot of nice parts on it, guys. If you're interested in this 70 C10, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for me, Chris, or my partner, Justin. We can help you with shipping, financing, anything that you need to get this beautiful dream truck parked in your driveway. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna wrap this video up and we'll catch you on the next one.